Electrify your imagination with our DIY kits. Easy to build, kid-friendly, unlimited fun and handmade in India.
Hi, welcome to Shogini Toys Ultimate Servo Motor Kit BRED Project 12, which is switch to open a door. So now here what it says, in this the connections are identical to Project 11, but here you must use your creativity to use the servo to open the door. Okay, so now here in this case we have, so the push switch wires, I am tying it to this cable ties along with the kit. You can put it through this hole and keep the wire like this and tie it so that wires don't come off the breadboard when you are moving the push switch around. So now if you switch it on, you notice that every time you push the switch, servo operates and the buzzer beeps. Now in order to fix the door, what I have done, along with the kit you get a cutout like this with some pictures. So this portion I have removed, and the middle door portion also I have taken out. You can use scissors to cut it off, but please take your parents' help. Okay, so the middle portion, the door, I stuck it using a sellotape on the cardboard bar that comes with the kit. Okay, so this middle portion, if you attach it like this and if you switch it on, it moves like this. Every time you press this push switch, it moves like this for about 8 seconds, then comes back. Okay, so now this cutout I stuck on the cardboard that comes with the kit, so made a hole in the middle and I stuck the frame around the hole, and the treasure cutout that comes with the kit, I stuck a piece of paper and stuck the treasure on it so that it looks as if the treasure is inside a chest. So now if you place, it will look as if the door is shut. You need to use your creativity to make a box and place it inside. Now if you press the push switch, okay, so you can improve on this by fixing this on a box and keeping the kit inside a box, etc. Perfect. Congratulations. Let's move on. Remember to switch it off.
Build, learn, and create. Unleash your inner engineer with our DIY electronic kits.